first, what is PPE? PPE stands for Personal Protective Equipments, which are specialized clothing or equipment worn by an employee for protection against infectious materials. Personal protective equipment, commonly referred to as PPE, is equipment worn to minimize exposure to hazards that cause serious workplace injuries and illnesses. These injuries and illnesses may result from contact with chemical, radiological, physical, electrical, mechanical, or other workplace hazards. That is why it is very important to wear PPE while you are in the workplace for you to avoid any injuries and illnesses. Working in a beauty industry or in salon also requires PPE. Although there have been no specific guidelines from the government as to the exact PPE for beauty salons, but according to the Health and Safety Executive or HSE, the beauty industry is recommended to wear PPE such as surgical masks, medical grade gloves, disposable aprons, and eye protection. So here are some of the PPEs used in a salon. First, we have hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is a liquid, gel, or foam agent applied to the hands for the purpose of removing common pathogens or disease-causing organisms. Having hand sanitizing points across the salon can help reduce cross-contamination and help clients feel safe. While hand washing with soap and water is still the most effective hygiene measure, sanitizer is particularly useful for when clients first enter the salon. Next is we have here the disposable towels. A disposable towel is a single-use alternative to a reusable cloth towel. Disposable towels are used to enhance infection control, convenience, and decrease economic expenditure. Disposable towels are used in fields requiring sanitary conditions for minor, precise, or dirty jobs of cleaning and drying. These are ideal for hairdressers and barbers that are in washing clients' hair. Disposable towels reduce the need to continuously wash your towels after every client. Another one is disposable aprons or gowns. Disposable aprons are important personal protective equipment used to protect healthcare workers from the risk of infection and to reduce the possibilities for cross-contamination of microorganisms. So in the salon, it has also been advised by the government that staff are provided with disposable aprons and clients use disposable gowns rather than washable ones. Next is the Perspex disposable gloves. Disposable gloves are gloves that you use one time and then thrown away. They can protect your health and the health of the person you're caring for. They help keep germs and infection from spreading to you and to the other person. While hand washing is recommended as the most effective way to stop the virus spreading, gloves can give the clients extra reassurance, particularly during manicures. However, even when wearing gloves, you should still wash hands regularly and avoid touching your face, otherwise they will not be effective. Next is the disposable salon face mask. It is a personal protective equipment used by healthcare professionals that serves as a mechanical barrier that interferes with direct airflow in and out of respiratory orifices such as nose and mouth. As we all know that face masks are now a requirement for all staff and clients, not only in a hairdressing salon or barbers, but also in some other crowded places. Another is the face shield. Face shield is an item of personal protective equipment aims to protect the wearer's entire face from hazards such as flying objects and road debris, chemical splashes, or potentially infectious materials. Face shields provide a barrier between your face and your client. For this reason, they have been named as an official requirement for hairdressers and barbers who cannot maintain the full 2 meters social distancing during any treatment or service. So those are some of the personal protective equipment used in a salon. It is very important for an employee to wear PPEs while in the workplace to avoid any injuries and illnesses. So, as an employer, keeping your staff and your customers safe when they are in company or in salon is undoubtedly one of your biggest concern. So, it is important to know the different PPE used in the salon to keep them safe. So, that would be all. Thank you.